I'm so excited about coaching you. Look, I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one too. I've trained everybody from Toni Braxton, Candy Burris, Malaysia Pargo, Duchess Lattimore, Mayetta Shaw, the list goes on. But it's not the people in Hollywood that get me the most excited. It's the people from your neighborhood. People like LaRon, who lost 150 pounds on this here program. People like my Milwaukee Brick, Kevia Mystic with it, who lost 50 pounds on this program. So if you're tired of your Pooch, tired of your love handles, tired of your back fat, tired of all your roles, including Esther roll, look, I look forward to coaching you. I build bodies that will attract so you'll never have to chase. Small waist, big behind, let's get you Kenyan-fied.
Hey everybody, it's Jackson Dea here, or Deanna, for those of you that know me off of social media. I just wanted to reach out on the eve of celebrating having dropped 70 pounds and just talk about what this whole process has meant to me. I think the biggest change for me was finally understanding what Coach meant when he told me to push past myself. For a really long time, I found it convenient to explain to people everything that went wrong in my life and why I was in so much pain and why it was so hard for me to do things, but never really owning the fact that I grew comfortable in that role. It was very easy for me to make sure that everybody and everything around me was good and real good. I gave 120% to other people, other people's dreams, other people's goals, other people's desire. But I also gave 120% to all the limits and the lies that people said to me, that were said against me, and I settled. I settled into this role of not really expecting more from myself. So at 234 pounds, being willed in to have my hip reconstructed, when the doctor said that if I got 30 to 40% functioning back, I was actually okay with that. Started rehab. I dropped a few pounds. And I guess secretly I was okay with that because I didn't believe that I deserved more. I didn't believe I could achieve more. And then one day I looked in the mirror and I was just tired. I was tired of lying. I was tired of being miserable. Tired of putting on a waist trainer and control top underwear and control top tights just to fit into my clothes. Walking around, can't breathe, miserable. I was sitting, literally watch Kenya work out, eating chips and ice cream, laughing, like, good for them. But then one day he said it, and it actually caught hold. Push past yourself. So that meant, for me, pushing past the guilt of allowing people to do me any and every kind of way. Push past the fear of actually being successful. I was never afraid of failing. I was afraid of what success would look like. What does that mean if I can no longer comfortably hide in the corner? Well, by coming out the corner and no longer hiding, I've been connected with some great women in this program. I have a coach that cheers me on and gets in my butt when I do something I'm not supposed to, i.e. skipping a workout, not posting, not thinking positive, settling, not demanding more. In the short time that I've been on this program, I've lost 70 pounds. I've accepted a promotion. I've reconnected with someone that I love more than anything in the world. All because I recognized that I was the only thing standing in my way. So I challenge anyone watching this video If you really want success, you need to move past motivation and get committed. Get dedicated to you. Get dedicated to your dreams, your goals. And baby, you will not regret it. 70 pounds down, closer to God, happy, full of joy, and can't wait to see what my 43rd birthday in a few weeks will look like, because I feel better now going towards 43 than I did going towards 23. And it's all because I stopped being in my own way. So I wish you all well. Stay focused, stay connected, and let's get it.